Alright, you guys, it's time to rip this stuff up and get this flooring in to match. We've dealt with it long enough. We've been putting it off because we have this built-in thing here that we did, trying to figure out what we're going to do with it. But it's basically screwed in and we need to get it off the wall because there's floor under there. So we're going to replace all the floor and not skip out. So we're going to get this up. We're going to get all this stuff out. We're going to go onto the hallway, and then I think we're going to leave it just shy of the front door because we're going to put a new front door and we need some light in here. You know what I'm saying? All right, so basically everything is out of here now. That fireplace, we're gonna keep it, I think, downstairs in the office. We'll keep the frame, and then we'll just reface it with something else. Probably not a corner, so we'll just add sides to it. But yeah, it should be nice down there, especially where there's no heat. But yeah, let's get this flooring out, and the miss is apparently gonna help me, apparently. Apparently it's gonna be a good time. Cue the people in the comments saying, "Oh my god, a little boy ran in there." Freaking ridiculous, bro. All right, we're gonna start some painting. We have some holes filled with some spackling. And I'm going to use the roller. Alright guys, I just want to let you know the key to getting a nice clean paint job here is you just roll right over the whole outlet just like that to get as much paint as possible. Just kidding, we're going to replace all these outlets. All right, so we're making good headway. So this hallway, obviously, here comes all the way around into the kitchen, all the way around to here. We've never done this before. It was a tiny bit off. We had to finagle it with some pry bars over here to get it to connect, but it was pretty darn close. But yeah, full steam ahead. Be nice to have this done.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car.
All right, you guys, this dining room is just about done. Yesterday or the day before, I went and caulked all of the trim, got that in while Kathleen was gone last weekend. Fish tank's up and running, new table in here. Don't mind the bicycle and those tables, so it's got to go somewhere else. But are you waving? Yeah, the color looks great. This trim will definitely pop once we get it painted. But this is definitely super usable, a nice big table. Had some family over last night, which was awesome. And yeah, totally different with some color in the house. Let me know what you guys think of the color down below. I'd say this is the baby Yoda room now. So thanks guys, have a great day.
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind